Welcome kids big and small to our adventure, let's have a ball. With songs and stories every day, we're here to learn and laugh away. Tiny Explorers, that's our name. With friends and fun, it's all a game. Discover wonders near and far, you'll be the brightest little star. Tiny Explorers Academy.
Welcome aboard the Shape Train. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Today, we're going on a journey to learn all about shapes. Look, here comes the Shape Train now.
Choo-choo, here we go, riding on the Shape Train, don't you know? Let's make the shapes one by one. Come along, we'll have some fun. Circles, squares, triangles too, rectangles and diamonds. Woohoo! Hearts and stars, ovals in line, hexagons and octagons looking so fine. Pentagons too, let's shout hooray, all aboard the Shape Train today. Look at the circle, round and bright, like a ball or the moon at night. Next is the square with four equal sides, like a window where the sunshine hides. Circles, squares, triangles too, rectangles and diamonds. Woohoo! Hearts and stars, ovals in line, hexagons and octagons looking so fine. Pentagons too, let's shout hooray, all aboard the Shape Train today. The rectangle is long and wide, like a book that's open wide. A triangle's pointy with three sides, like a mountain that touches the sky. The diamond sparkles, what a sight, like a kite that soars in flight. The oval's curvy, smooth as can be, like an egg or a balloon so free. Circles, squares, triangles too, rectangles and diamonds. Woohoo! Hearts and stars, ovals in line, hexagons and octagons looking so fine. Pentagons too, let's shout hooray, all aboard the Shape Train today. The star twinkles with 5 points bright, shining up in the sky at night. The hexagon's got 6 sides, oh wow, like a honeycomb made by a bee somehow. The heart is full of love so sweet, like a valentine we give as a treat. The octagon says stop with 8 strong sides, like the sign we see on our car ride. Circles, squares, triangles too, rectangles and diamonds. Woohoo! Hearts and stars, ovals in line, hexagons and octagons looking so fine. Pentagons too, let's shout hooray, all aboard the Shape Train today. The pentagon's got 5 sides, hooray, like a home plate where we play. Shapes are fun, we've learned them all. Thanks for riding, we had a ball. All aboard the Shape Train, see you another day.
Welcome to the Shape Builders construction site. We're working hard to build with all kinds of shapes today. Grab your hard hats and let's get to work with our shape building team. First, we're building with a circle. Circles help us make wheels for our trucks and concrete pipes. Look at that big round circle. Next up is the square. We use squares to make strong foundations for buildings. 4 equal sides make it sturdy. Now, we're lifting a rectangle. Rectangles make doors, windows, and beams for bridges. Let's hoist it up. Watch out for the triangle. It's perfect for building rooftops and bridges. Strong and pointy. Look at this shiny diamond. Diamonds help us design cool patterns on buildings and roads. Let's place it carefully. Next, the oval. Ovals are perfect for creating tunnels and smooth curved surfaces. Let's build a tunnel with it. Time for a bright star. Stars make things sparkle and shine. Let's add some stars to our building. Here comes the hexagon. With 6 sides, hexagons are great for building things like nuts, bolts, and tiles. Now we've got a heart. Hearts make things look kind and welcoming. Let's add some heart shapes to the front of our building. Watch out for the octagon. It has 8 sides and is strong like a stop sign. Perfect for our construction zone safety. Last up is the pentagon. It's a 5-sided shape that's great for decoration and design. Let's add some pentagons to our work. Wow, we've built so many things using shapes today. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, diamond, oval, star, hexagon, heart, octagon, and pentagon. You all did an amazing job. Thanks for helping out, shape builders. Next, let's do a fun activity. Let's practice drawing these amazing shapes on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard. You too can join me, tiny explorers. Go grab a piece of paper and some color pens. Let's practice drawing these shapes out together. First, let's draw a circle. Circles are round, like a ball or a donut. Ready? Start at the top and make a big, round loop all the way around. And back to where you started. Next up is the square. Squares have 4 equal sides, like a window or a box. Let's start at the top and draw one straight line down. Now another line to the side, then up and back across to finish the square. Now, we're going to draw a rectangle. It's like a square, but 2 sides are longer. Let's start with a tall line. Now, a shorter line across. Another tall line down, and one more short line to close it up. Time to draw a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides, like a slice of pizza or a mountain. Let's start at the top, draw a slanted line down, then another one down the other side, and close it up with a line across the bottom. Now, let's draw a smooth oval. Ovals are like stretched out circles, like an egg or a balloon. Start at the top and make a long curved loop around, just like a circle, but a little longer. Time to draw a star. Stars have 5 points, like the ones we see in the sky. Let's start by drawing a short line up, now a slanted line down to the right, another slanted line up, then down again, and one last line to close our star. Now, let's draw a lovely heart. Hearts show love and kindness. Start at the bottom and draw a curve up and over, then another curve on the other side, bringing it down to meet at the bottom. Let's try drawing a hexagon. It has 6 sides, like a honeycomb. Start with a straight line, now a slant down, another straight line across, and keep connecting lines until you reach the top again. Next, let's draw an octagon. It has 8 sides like a stop sign. Start with a straight line, now another slant, and keep drawing until you have all 8 sides. Let's draw a sparkling diamond. It's like 2 triangles stuck together. Start with a slanted line up, now another down to the right, one more line up, and then finish it with a straight line across. Finally, let's draw a pentagon. It has 5 sides, like a home plate in baseball. Start with a straight line, then draw slanted lines down and close it up with 2 more lines. Keep an eye out for shapes the next time you see a building. See you next time. Keep exploring until I meet you again. Please share, like, and subscribe for more fun-filled educational videos. Bye-bye for now.
Tiny Explorers Academy.